Hi guys, it is time to kick off 2020 with a collaboration. And these are the Dollar Tree items that I'm using today. Stick around to see what I do with them.
This collaboration is hosted by Cynthia, shesobless, Mysterious Alberta, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Diva Decorating, me, myself, and DIYing it. If you're not familiar with any of these ladies, I'm leaving all of their channel links in the descriptions. First of all, I took the beware signs and made sure they were even and glued them together. You can see that one of them I've already used in a previous project, and I'll probably use it again. I put a straight bead of glue between the two and then zigzagged it somewhat back and forth so that they were locked well. And if you're like me and you hate waiting for hot glue to dry or cool off, the electronic duster that you get from Dollar Tree works wonderfully. Give it a shake, spray your hot glue, and it's cooled off and dried instantly. Now that I have those glued together, I'm going to take the Dollar Tree paper with snowflakes on it and wrap them. This is going to be the base for my sign, and when winter's over, I can just remove the paper and craft something else with these, because I use and reuse over and over so I don't have to spend more money. Making sure that you've got at least an inch overhang. You're going to tape it on like you were wrapping a package. Just make sure that you don't have any slack in it. Pull it tight. Otherwise, you'll have a bagging, sagging paper on your sign. And again, you're just going to wrap it like a package, folding those ends over and then adding tape. Now, there is my sign base. Now, I went to my Cricut and designed the lettering that I wanted on it. And using the contact paper from Dollar Tree, I cut out the design. It's much cheaper than the Cricut vinyl and works just as well, especially if you're putting it on something that's semi-permanent. But be sure to remove some of the stickiness from the transfer tape before moving the letters to the paper. Otherwise, the transfer tape will want to rip your paper. Now, you know me, I'm a junk store junkie. I found these brass pulls for 99 cents a while back. Didn't know what I was going to do with them, and I thought, hey, that would be really cute. I love the patina on them. I love that they're old. And I thought it just added something to the sign. Hang in there, spring is on the way. You got to have something to hang on to, right? The brass pulls worked wonderfully. There we go. Now the brass seemed to be fading into the dark blue, so I took the Key West in apple barrel paint, and I'm showing you with one that's not attached what I did. I kind of dry brushed around the edges to make it stand out more, and I thought the light turquoise matched the patina on the brass. Yes, that's an old toothbrush. After we quit using them for toothbrushes, it's paintbrushes for me. And there it is on the top shelf of my coffee bar. I think it turned out great. The only thing is the brass is still kind of fading into the dark blue, so I may take a white chalk marker and outline them later. But it goes great with what I've got in mind for my winter coffee bar, which is my Alice in Wonderland, some of my Alice in Wonderland items. And yes, I broke one of my teapots, and it broke my heart. Fumble fingers. My cocoa bar is basically the same, except I removed all the Christmassy Christmas items and took out the two-tier stand. But yeah, that's my sign, and that's how I'm using it. I think it blends great with the Alice in Wonderland blue and white. Thank you so much for watching today.